What's up? We back at it again with another video. We got the Black Cat, aka H-Cat out here. We're getting ready to do a brake job on this one right here. After this video go up, you already know we got some races, some other things going on, some hood shenanigans for the hood babies. You know what it is. Alright, we out here. Yeah. You know I got
Kaylin at the chop shop. Got the red key, so you know it's serious. Alright, so now we breaking the lug nuts loose, and then we jacking it up, and we're going to get this wheel off. Ain't that right?
Yeah.
Got the murder team, all black cars. That one's blue, but it's close enough. Let us know which one you want smoke with. We'll come to your city and run it up for a check.
I'm gonna make sure I put some some of that brake lube on the damn hub. I mean on the rotor.
Make sure you grease up your rotor.
Yeah.
When you put it back on, so
it don't stick.
So it don't stick.
Lesson learned. Professional pad removal. You just and then you gotta keep your eye on it because it get a little hard once it falls through that first one. Once it's through, I've had them out. You can get them out now. When I first was doing this, you couldn't get these motherfuckers out of this. There we go.
That's one pin.
Yep.
And now number two.
Can't believe that's all that holds your pad in. I'd be thinking like at 200 miles an hour, you go to brake or something, these pins would snap. You know? Yeah, this one tougher. You done got that brake dust and got you stuck. He said we making professional content right here.
Mm-hmm. Been doing stuff like this every day since 2014. Might as well help somebody else out.
And then
learning it the hard way.
13.
Now we got a 13mm socket.
Well, I'm getting good at this guessing stuff. See how I've been getting it right on all the first tries. Right, surely you loose enough by now.
Nope.
Take the damn gloves. I'm gonna wash my hands real deep today. How's everything? And then that hardware just comes out when that bolt comes out. I don't ever take that bolt out though. I just leave it in there so I don't lose it. Alright, and then there you set of these. You gotta do the shimmy game because sometimes they be tight. Shimmy. I told you got shimmy. Once you get it to about halfway, just come on out. But you got shimmy. Oh, I said, man, I would have been had that. You lying? Three pistons on each side. Pads look good.
That's one. Do the same thing to the other one.
It's easier for the other one because now you got more play.
Just slides out.
Yeah. Yeah, that one look good, but you can tell where the rotor touching that motherfucker. That's look good. How much of a difference?
And there's a 21mm bolt back there.
Be careful. This rotor's probably hot. You ever see somebody touch a rotor?
I ain't getting my camera in there because I ain't trying to get it dirty. But you get the idea. And that's holding the caliper on. Dang.
My bad.
Flat top scratched my lens. Woo. You need some more elbow grease. I'll edit this out, don't worry.
Yeah, please do.
Alright, so once you get the 2 bolts out in the back, the rotor will slip out the way. Pull the caliper will slip out the way and you can pull the rotor out.
You keep getting those.
Yeah, I keep saying them backwards today. I'm drunk. And don't let that just drop or your brake line will rupture and you will have a bad day. You will be pissed. Then you do the same thing to the other side. Real simple, real easy. I'll keep it on. Alright, so we got a cheat code.
Yeah, I told you 50 pounds.
No, it ain't that bad. So,
Yeah.
if you don't want to take the pads out, you don't have to. Just take the 2 bolts on the back out, and it should work. And you can just slide the rotor out. Like, say it right this time.
Yeah.
Yeah, slide the caliper out. You can get this rotor out.
I said he can focus now.
Nope.
Try not to show it to his ass. Because he said he gonna be like, man. Yeah.
Yeah, he kind of messes his rotors up, so we about to get them resurfaced.
Yeah.
Some people will bitch and complain and say you can't do it if it's drilled and slotted,
Yeah,
but we getting it done.
Yeah. Good. They look brand new rotors.
They said it couldn't be done, but we did it.
Yeah.
Some of them are missing a few whiskers on them, but it'll be all right. Now you just do the same thing in reverse. Slap that rotor on there. Get the caliper on there. Tighten the 2 bolts on the back. Slide the pads in there. Put the 2 pins. And there's one more thing in there. So 13 mil. It's like a bigger pin. And you good. Tighten everything down. Put the wheel back on. What we gonna work on next, Kaylin?
Probably gonna be that motor.
Maybe the motor. Maybe my motor. Something. We're gonna figure it out. We'll see you next time.